So, today we're going to talk about 4 ways to code more abundance into your reality and yourself, of course, from the emotion of jealousy and envy. So, my name is Lindsay. Thank you so much for being here and for watching. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm in love with self development and spiritual development. If you need anything from me, it's going to be in my About section. If you're interested in anything from passive income to light codes, you're going to find it all there. You can get started as a complete beginner. If you get the book, make sure that you read it more than once. You get new light codes every time you read it. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the first step. So the first way is to remember that creation is a mirror. So shift the energy and your perspective by understanding that if it's in your reality, it is simply reflecting information that is for you, as well as reflecting the desires of your true heart back to you, and what is completely possible for you as well. And if you're experiencing the energy of envy, just remember that it is supposed to feel good to see our desires reflected in others, because again, it provides us information, it helps us get more clear, it shows us what is completely possible for us as well, what is in our heart, what is absolutely for us too. And all of that should bring relief over jealousy if you take control of the energy for yourself in that way and shift it to that perspective, which brings me to the second way. Celebrate the wins of others and give gratitude. By doing this, and even especially when it doesn't feel very good to do it, it hurts to do it even, the universe recognizes that effort as you being ready. You're next. It's your turn. If it can happen for them, it can happen for me, right? Jealousy and envy, they're meant to be information. They're meant to be inspirational emotions. Are meant to be used as inspiration, not emotions that turn inward on ourselves and cause unnecessary suffering. The third way is going to be to give any way that you can. Act as if. I'm going to say it one more time. Act as if. You may only have $20 in your bank account, but you can still go get 5 ones and give $1 to 5 people in need today. And if you can't do that, next time you're at the grocery store, smile genuinely at 5 people that day. Y'all know we're all energy, and smiling in someone's direction or even in their eyes, because we have even energy points in our eyes, is more powerful than you know. So lastly, and what has been most significant for me, is going to be prayer. And I'm not talking about anything formal. I'm talking just tell God, the universe, whatever you're comfortable with, that you are experiencing jealousy, that it doesn't feel good, that you do want to be more free of this difficult emotion. And so I ask that you would help me by blessing this person even more. I ask that you would bless this person that I am jealous of even more. By doing this, you have no idea how powerful this is to the universe, the kind of beautiful energy that projects out. And I think that it just really shows how deserving you are and the kind of energy that you are in and how invested you are in your progress. And I promise you, not only will you, and especially if jealousy and envy are emotions that you are struggling with a lot right now, I promise you, with consistency and repetition, by doing this, you will be so much more free, if not completely free, by practicing this low vibrational emotion. And not only that, but it's that kind of thing that also makes you a magnet for miracles, truly, and puts you back in charge of the energy, right? When you take control of it, rather than letting your environment dictate the kind of difficult emotions that you experience on a day-to-day basis. So I'm really hopeful that this is helpful. I love you so much. I will see you in the next one, and I am sending you so much love.